Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the two rainy seasons and also their durations and which part and which area receives in India highest rainfall, and also the situation related to the effects of heavy rainfall, and drops occur when there is a failure in timely rainfall, and also diversity of plants and animals in India, and monsoon forests, and which are the so name the forest that are reserved in India, and also what are the problems arising from deforestation. Okay, and so what are the different animals living around your environment. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay. In last class, mainly we are learned about the climate of India can be classified into four distinct. The distinct means here different seasons they are. Okay, here first column season, second column durations are months. First one, winter season. So winter season duration is December, January, February. Next, summer season. Summer season duration is March, April, May. Next, southwest monsoon season. The durations of southwest monsoon season are also called as rainy season and are also called as Kharif season. The duration is June, July, August, September. Retreating monsoon season are also called as Rabi season. Retreating monsoon season are also called as Rabi season. The durations of Rabi season is October and November. So here we should identify the directions of southwest and southeast, northeast and northwest on the map of India. India receives heavy rain from the southwest monsoon winds. India receives heavy rain from the southwest monsoon winds. The movement of air over the earth's surface from high pressure area, the movement of air over the earth's surface from high pressure area to the low pressure area is called wind. The winds which change their directions from one season to another are known as seasonal winds. For example, monsoon winds. So okay, yeah, we should know this. So there are two rainy seasons in India. So they are southwest monsoon season from June to September and retreating monsoon season from October to November. I will once again repeat it. So there are two rainy seasons in India. They are southwest monsoon season. From June to September and retreating monsoon season from October to November. Okay, and also the western coastal plains, western parts of the Western Ghats, the western coastal plains, western parts of the Western Ghats and northeastern states receives heavy rainfall. Here, the western coastal plains, western parts of Western Ghats, and northeastern states receives heavy rainfall. So in India, Mysingram in Meghalaya receives highest rainfall in India. I will once again repeat it. So in which place in India receives highest rainfall means Mysingram in Meghalaya receives highest rainfall in India. So here is one activity is there. The situation related to the effects of heavy rainfall are given here. Put right mark to the suitable situation. If not suitable, put wrong mark. Okay, or false mark. The people are very happy. So in case effects of heavy rainfall, the people are very happy. That is wrong. The roads are flooded by water. That is correct. No water is flowing in the streams and rivers. That is false. Electricity is cut off. That is correct. Fodder is available for livestock. That false. So it is easy for fishing in the sea. That is also false. The people may lose their houses and become refugees. Okay, that is also right. Okay, I will once again repeat it. The people are very happy by heavy rainfall. That is false. The roads are flooded by water. That is correct. No water is flowing in the streams and rivers. That is false. So electricity is cut off. That is correct. Fodder is available for livestock. That is wrong. So it is easy for fishing in the sea. It is easy for fishing in the sea. That is false. The people may lose their houses and become refugees. That is correct. So here you should do collect the information which you have gained from the study of weather conditions in your school. Explain about the changes in weather conditions in your school surroundings. Okay, and also, so which parts of India were affected for the last 2 years by cyclones? Collect the information on them and write here. Okay, next, so select the suitable picture which shows destructions after heavy rain or continuous downpour. So paste it in the blank space. Here you should paste the pictures of heavy rainfall. Okay, destructions of after heavy rain. Next, drought occur when there is a failure in timely rainfall. So there is no water for crops. Livestock and other animals wander about in search of water and may die. So due to lack of drinking water and excessive heat, people are in distress and migrate to other places and etc. So these are the effects of drought. Suppose we will ask effects, write the effects of droughts. So drought occurs when there is a failure in timely rainfall. There is no water for crops, so and livestock and other animals wander about in search of water and may die. Okay, so due to lack of drinking water and excessive heat, people are in distress and migrate to other places. These are the effects of drought. Next, so the earth is heating, the groundwater is dried up. So when the earth is heating, the groundwater is dried up, and so there is a melting of snow in the Himalayan mountains. So what are the reasons for this? So why the snow is melting? What is the reason behind this? So you should think about it and discuss with your friends. You should write here. So in next class we are going to discuss more things. Thank you, Nadal.